Hey Eater, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own just by using your website. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a really good website. Overall, the navigation is fairly simple. The colors are soft in the eyes. That's always a bonus. When I go through your website, I see you have great photos and a beautiful layout, but not enough content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. And what I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol is just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. I'm sure you don't want that, right? Let's jump into arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool. Here we'll see the back end of your website. If you want it, if you don't mind paying for it, you could always do this. Use this video and just punch in your website here. This is what it shows you. This is what it gives you. This is what you have going behind the website. The second thing I want to go over would be the backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though, either that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Your backlinks are your UR level here. Looks like you're at an 8 with the 20 current backlinks you have. Referring domains, you have 10. Organic keywords, you have 31. This is very important. Organic traffic, 7. Looks like you have 7 people jumping to your website on a monthly basis. The third and final category I like to go over is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. And the citation meter would fall under the DR here, 1.4. So increasing the UR and the DR meter, you would need to add good quality backlinks and citations. And just keep in mind, it's good practice to have these two in a 1-1 ratio. Let's jump into your competitor here, Olympic Landscape LLC. It looks like they offer the same services you do around your area. This company is on the first page of Google, and what they have going behind the scenes, as you can see, this is their website. Over 1,000 backlinks, over 300 referring domains, organic keywords, over 1,000, and in a monthly basis, over 1,000 people are jumping onto their website. Their UR meter is 30, the DR is at 8, not in a 1-1 ratio. Someone should tell them. But this is helping them to be in the first page of Google, and they're getting all the leads, they're getting all the people that are searching for your services. The last and most important that I want to show you would be the keywords. Let's jump onto their keywords list here. This is what they have going on their website. So they currently have over 1,000 keywords, organic keywords. We see that landscaping Lakewood and reverse Lakewood landscaping are being searched each at 300 ratio, or 300 people are searching for these services using this keyword. So if you were to have this on your website, can you imagine? These keywords here has approximately 300 and 300. So overall, let's say 600. In other words, 600 people are searching every month for this service. Imagine those 600 people are finding you instead. Well, Eater, this is what I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to discuss further. Thank you for your time, Eater. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.